Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki. And I want to officially welcome you to our 15-day yoga challenge, Breathe and Flow. And of course, I am your host and yoga instructor, Kiki. So today we are focusing on connecting to our breath. And once you mindfully connect to your breath, you build awareness in your body, you can reduce your stress levels, and you can improve your focus and your stamina in your yoga practice. So what you'll need for this practice is a pillow or a blanket or a bolster to sit on, or you can sit in a chair. So grab what you need and we will get started. So we're going to start by finding a comfortable seat. And as I said before, you can grab a pillow, a blanket, or your blocks to sit on. I'm going to sit on my blocks and just have my hips underneath. That way my pelvis tilts forward and I'm able to sit just a little bit more erect in my spine. And once you find your comfortable seat, your hands can rest on the tops of your thighs or your knees, whichever is more comfortable for you. Bring your shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back to open the chest and reach up through the crown of your head. Sit tall. Let's start by taking 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. And just remain here and notice your natural breath. So notice any movements that may happen in the body as you're breathing in and out. You may notice that your chest naturally rises as you inhale and it falls as you exhale. You might see a slight movement in the belly or feel a slight movement in the belly. Maybe the belly expands out and comes back in as you inhale and exhale. Notice those movements in your body, subtle movements, but still movements. And also maybe notice the length of your breath. So maybe you notice that the inhale is a little shorter than the exhale. So you're taking more cleansing breaths. Or you may notice that your exhale is shorter than your inhale. And maybe you notice that they're equal in this moment. And remember, we're just acknowledging these things that are happening in our body. We're not having any judgment towards them right now. Just becoming more familiar and more aware of our body in this moment. And then 3 more deep breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale out of the mouth. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. So this time when we're doing our 3 breaths, we're going to inhale through the nose and exhale out of the nose. So the mouth is going to stay closed. And you may feel that you're breathing loudly, and that's okay. So let's start with the inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale through the nose. And from here, we're going to move into an ocean breath. So it's similar to breathing in through the nose and out through the nose, except for this time, you're going to allow the tip of your tongue to come to the roof of your mouth. And when you exhale, you're going to notice that it sounds like the ocean waves crashing against the shore. So we're going to do that, starting with our inhale. And then exhale, tip of the tongue at the top of your mouth, through your nose. Again, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. And so we're going to do those 3 breaths together. As we started, inhale through the nose, exhale out of the mouth. And then the second round of breaths will be inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the nose. And then the third round of breath is going to be the ocean breath. So you're still exhaling out of your nose, but the tip of your tongue is resting at the top of your mouth for that ocean breath sound. So we're going to do a total of 9 breaths. So starting with the inhale through the nose, open the mouth and exhale. Inhale, open the mouth and exhale. Last one, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Moving to our second round. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Inhale and exhale through the nose. One more time. Inhale and exhale through the nose. This time going into our ocean breath, let the tip of your tongue rest at the top of your mouth. So inhale through the nose. Exhale out of the nose, tongue at the top of the mouth. For that ocean sound, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. So all 3 of these breaths you can use at any time during any practice during this 15-day challenge. The one that we use the most in yoga, particularly moving through the movements, may be the ocean breath. But if exhaling out of the mouth works better for you in that moment, try that. Or if just the regular exhale out of the nose works for you in that moment, try that as well. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of our Breathe and Flow Yoga Challenge.